I have very sad news to share with you. Well, I'm not sure how to even say this, but this happened right here. Take a good look. Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling. Hey guys, want to give you a quick update on the truck and how it's coming along. Let me show you the progress here. It is looking really good, okay? Let me show you. You can see that the big dent right there, the big scratch dent that was right there is now gone. And this makes me the happiest right there. So they're working on it. It was easy to get it out from inside. There's plenty of room to work with. Also working my way to the back, you can see that they worked the bed wall here at the top. It had all that bed liner still left in there, and they're working on the back tail end here as well. They took out some of those dings that were right there, and right here, this side, I don't know if you remember or not, had it was pushed in. It had a big, dent right here, and so that got fixed as well. Looks like even the top, there was a big push in right here. They also worked on that as well. Let me give you a better look here from a distance. This is the, of course, passenger side, and let's see here on the driver's side again one more time. Give you guys another look right there. So I am very excited, you guys, very excited for the final product here and share it with you guys. All right, so who is this guy? Hey buddy, what's going on? What are you doing? Ooh, you're a little bitey, aren't you? You bit me. That's not very nice of you. Why would you bite me like that? I'm only your friend. Hey, what's going on? Hey, 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 hey. So they are telling me that the goal here is to go ahead and get it sanded, right? Sand the original paint in the areas where you see they've been working on, and also get it painted and deliver it tomorrow. So I'm already looking forward to that, and that makes me the happiest. So you can tell how excited I am already about that. Guys, it is another day and I've come to check out the progress on the truck. Let me show you guys around here, see what's going on and what progress we're making. All right, so first of all, check out the, I don't know if you guys really obviously can't tell, but this is as smooth as a baby's bottom right here. These guys have definitely obviously sanded this down and it's ready for paint. So I can't wait. All the things you've seen already that they've done to it, so this is ready. And obviously working on the tail there as well. Also gonna get those painted there, and there's a couple of additions to the project. So they are going to end up removing the chrome molding there for me. They're gonna end up getting rid of the black line there, which I didn't have the patience to do myself, and the logo there, GMC 2500, and they're gonna end up buffing the whole cabin for me. So they end up buffing the whole cabin to make sure they bring out that white and that shine from the clear coat, as well as working on this rusty spot right here. So they're gonna be breaking into this and fixing this up. How you doing, buddy? What's going on? And fixing this up here. There's some rust there that they're gonna be working on fixing for me. So it is finally reveal day, okay, and I've got the truck back with me. I've been waiting to have my truck now for about about a week or so, and every day I've been trying to check on the progress. Every business day I've been able to stop by the shop to be able to record that for you guys. But today we actually have the final work piece here to check it out. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. be starting, of course, with the driver's side here on the bed where the most of the damage was. All right, most of the damage was over here, and it is now completely gone. So you can see here, this whole side here, it is straight. Take a look there, going all the way around. So they did an awesome job there. Also, there were some of those scratches and dents going on there as well. They are absolutely gone. All right, so did an awesome job there. Also taking out some of the dings and little bumps and scratches here and there. Checking out here the tailgate. Tailgate also had a couple dings here and there as well, and now it looks like a very clean piece. All right, look at that glass white. They did 3 layers of clear coat, and I decided not to put the tailgate cover here on the end, on the edge, because that is over there, and that would need to get replaced because that is broken, as a matter of fact. So I'll be putting that on some other time. But check out the final piece here, you guys. This paint looks awesome, and I wish you guys could see it in real and in person here. So this corner right here, for example, right? So this corner here was actually banged in and a little bit, and so they were able to get that taken care of. And so I'm looking around here to see if I find anything else. There were a couple of dings here and there as well on the top of the bed wall there, but everything is now officially off the truck. Of course, no more of that annoying white strip, black strip going on all across. We also got rid of that molding, chrome molding. No more of that 4x4 Sierra or GMC logo going on the back. Also, check out the front. I got some goodies here. We got rid of the entire black line all across the chrome molding on the front as well. And from the actual glue, from the chrome molding, some of that paint, it looks like it came out. So we'll be going back to the shop to get that repaired. I also got the entire cabin. You can see how shiny that white paint is, because the whole cabin also got buffed, and so it got waxed and buffed. And take a look here as well. So some of that chrome molding that came out peeled some of the paint, so the doors will actually need to get a touch of paint there. But other than that, you know, the actual buffing job, the wax, everything came out really good. And the paint here, you know, all the taking out the big dent, taking out all the dings and scratches here and there. I mean, I'm very happy here with the job they did. And you know, just excited to have my truck back, again, and ready to, you know, do some bigger and greater things with it. So, and these need to get replaced ASAP. So that's one of the upcoming projects right there, will be to give this puppy here a front lift, upgrading those tail lights all the way. So that'll be another project. Perhaps also mess around with the fog lights a little bit. But I wanted to show you guys here from a distance, if you can tell the difference of the 2 different whites. Now, of course, the fresh white here, in a way, you know, obviously it's a little bit of a sharper white. You know, it looks newer, and that is to be expected of something freshly painted versus the factory paint. Now, this paint is by code the same exact white as the factory, so there shouldn't be too much of a difference there. Also explains the reason why I had the whole cabin also waxed and buffed as well, so that as this looked, you know, very clean and very shiny, also the whole cabin wouldn't be left behind on that department either. So that way there was a good balance between those two. Definitely let me know in the comments, you guys. Let me know what you guys think of how everything came out. Don't forget to let me know in the comments so I get an idea here on what you guys opinions are. Almost forgot to mention, I also would not be able to give the truck a wash until about another week or so. Let that paint really dry in and stay on for a couple days before I go ahead and wash it for the first time. So it's gonna probably explains why you see that, you know, it's a little dirty here and whatnot. Of course, but I'll be giving it a wash here in the next couple days. All right, you guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, definitely make sure to leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite part, and also give me an idea of what the upcoming updates and mods should be to the truck. Little Birdie has said that there may be a little bit of lifting involved, perhaps new wheel and tire setup. So definitely make sure to subscribe and smash that like button and stay tuned, because there's a lot coming your way. All right, hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, look forward to seeing you guys next time. Take care. Peace.